Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be solving 35 squared. So I'll take you through the simple trick to get your answer in seconds. So we take 3 and square 3. 3 squared gives us 9. We take 5 and square it as well. 5 squared gives us what? 25. So we write 9 to 5. This way, we multiply this by this and all by the exponent. So we get 3 times 5, which gives us 15, by the exponent 2, which gives us 30. So we write 30 here and add a 0 to the end and sum it all up. 5 plus 0 gives us 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 9 plus 3 maintains 12. So 35 squared is none other than 1225. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.